Do you want to sing, but sometimes you have a feeling that your voice is not responding the way how you expect it to respond? Or maybe you have heard before singing you always need to warm up, and now you are wondering what exactly does it mean to warm up my voice? Hello, my name is Egita. I am a professional singer, vocal teacher and vocal coach, and today I want to take you together with me on my own warming up journey. You can easily sing along all the exercises, so you can warm up your voice and see if it helps you to achieve the sounds you really want to achieve. Before I start with actual singing exercises, what I always really like to do, I like to stretch out my body. And one of the easiest stretches is doing like this. I put my hands together, then I turn my palms outwards and I push them to the front, upwards, so I stretch the sides of my body to the sides, like I'm trying to push something away from myself. And I also do exactly the same downwards, down. And one more time, to the front, up, outside, and downwards. Then I also do a tiny stretch with my shoulders. I bring my shoulders up as close as possible to my ears, and then I drop them down. And I combine this one with breathing. I breathe in while I'm bringing my shoulders up. Small, 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 and then let the air out when I'm bringing them down. The next thing which I really like to do is I take a good breath with focusing, expanding the sides. My ribs are like pushing all the skin outside on breathing in. So I breathe in. And on breathing out, I make a long sound. One more time, breathing in. Long sounds. I repeat this exercise several times and I invite you to do exactly the same. After this one, I am turning to the actual warming up exercises. I start with something simple as humming. Humming is closing your lips. And here is the pattern which I'm going to use together with you today. And now just sing along. Next exercise, we'll use the syllable me, 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 and we'll repeat it several times. Listen and then just sing along. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. on a days when my voice doesn't feel really good, I will just repeat exactly this exercise with syllables ma, ma, mo, and maybe mo. So if you want, you can just rewind it back and then do the same one. Ma, 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 ma. Or ma, 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 ma. Or mo, 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 mo. Or mo, 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 mo. The next step, I'm going to sing something on ya, 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 ya. It will be a different pattern, so first pay attention and then just sing along. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. After this exercise, it's time to do some jumps. And I will start with simple one on ta, ta, ta. Ta, 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 ta. Afterwards, I have exercised these active jumps. I will do one more exercise with taking a longer distance and also with the intervals, not notes after each other like in a scale. And this will be the next one which I will do. Ya, ya. Depending on what I'm going to sing, probably I would add more exercises in this at this point in my warming up routine. But today, this is made for you, so you can easily start your singing journey. So we are going to finish with an exercise which helps us to calm down our voice, but also lets us check in how our lower notes are doing. There we go. This time we are using syllable do, and we will go with a down going scale. Do, 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 do. Do, will just add some sirens on first on M. You can hear that each one I'm making a little bit bigger. And then afterwards on sound, usually at this point, you will feel ready to start with your songs as well. In case you find this one nice and you want to have more of this type of warming up routines, easily accessible without you really thinking, how do I do it? Or how do I start? How do I finish? Which exercises do I choose for myself? I invite you to join my warming up subscription. There, 3 times a month, you get a new warming up routine. Plus, there is a vault of already existing warming up routines where you just push play and sing along. Warming up routines in my warming up membership are dedicated to different issues. You train your agility of the voice, your breathing, your sustained breath, staccato singing, all kind of different ways how we can use our voices. And it's a perfect playground to explore how your voice can sound. If you want to know more about it, check the link in the description. And thank you for joining me for my warming up routine, and I wish you a very happy singing and see you in another video.